Want to track smarter, train harder, and live healthier, all from your wrist? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. Meet the OPPO Watch X2 Mini, a sleek, compact smartwatch with a titanium alloy bezel, sapphire crystal, and a vibrant AMOLED display. It offers advanced health tracking, including heart rate, ECG, and GPS, all powered by Wear OS. Perfect for fitness enthusiasts, it delivers smart features and long battery life in a mini design. What's in the box? Let's see what you get in the box. Inside the box, you'll find the OPPO Watch X2 Mini. Magnetic charging base with USB-C charging cable, quick start guide and safety guide. Technical specifications. The OPPO Watch X2 Mini features a premium build with 18-karat PVD gold-plated stainless steel for glimmer gold and 316L stainless steel for nebula black, complemented by a plastic bottom case with two-color injection molding. It comes with a leather strap in glimmer gold and a fluoroelastomer strap in nebula black. The 1.32-inch AMOLED display offers 466 by 466 resolution, 352 ppi, and up to 1000 nits peak brightness with 2.5D glass. Weighing only 37.8 grams, the watch measures 43.2 millimeters by 43.2 millimeters by 11 millimeters. Powered by Snapdragon W5 Gen 1 with 2 GB RAM and 32 GB internal storage, it supports heart rate tracking, SpO2, sleep monitoring, stress tracking, and over 100 fitness modes. It also includes an accelerometer, gyroscope, optical heart rate sensor, blood oxygen sensor, geomagnetic sensor, ambient light sensor, and barometer. Connectivity features Bluetooth 5.2, dual-band Wi-Fi, NFC, and dual-frequency GNSS. The battery, with a 354 mAh capacity, lasts up to 60 hours of standard use and 7 days in power-saving mode, and supports a fast charge of 10 minutes for 24 hours. The watch is 5 ATM water-resistant, IP68 rated, and runs Wear OS with RTOS. Additional features include fall detection, emergency SOS, and over 100 customizable watch faces. Product features. The OPPO Watch X2 Mini can perform a quick yet comprehensive health analysis in just 60 seconds, checking key metrics like heart rate, blood oxygen, SpO2, and wrist temperature. This gives you a snapshot of your well-being instantly and lets you track trends over time via the companion health app, helping you stay proactive about your health. Equipped with dedicated ECG electrodes and multiple advanced sensors, heart rate, SpO2, temperature, the watch can monitor cardiovascular signals like arterial stiffness and ECG readings, which are useful for detecting irregularities in your heart rhythm. These insights support deeper health awareness beyond basic fitness tracking. The dual-frequency GPS, capturing both L1 and L5 satellite signals, enhances location accuracy significantly compared to single-band systems. This makes mapping runs, hikes, and bike routes much more precise, especially in areas with weak signal or high interference, and is ideal for outdoor athletes. Powered by Wear OS by Google, the Watch X2 lets you interact with notifications, respond to messages, control music, and use Google Apps right from your wrist. You can also control your smartphone's camera and video playback remotely, making everyday tasks more convenient without having to reach for your phone. How to pair. To pair the OPPO Watch X2 Mini, begin by powering on the watch, then download the O Health app on your Android or iOS device. Open the app, sign in or create an O Health account, and tap the Add Device or Plus option. Select Watch and choose OPPO Watch X2 Mini from the list. Ensure your phone's Bluetooth is enabled, then confirm the pairing request that appears on both your phone and the watch. If prompted, verify the matching code and proceed. Wait for the initial sync to complete, then follow the on-screen instructions to finish setup. Once done, your watch is ready to use, and you can customize watch faces, notifications, fitness tracking, and more. How to charge? To charge your OPPO Watch X2 Mini, connect the USB-C cable to a power source and place the watch on its magnetic charging base. Ensure the charging pins align with the back of the watch, and the charging icon will appear on the screen. The watch supports fast charging, with a full charge taking around 30 to 80 minutes. How to reset your watch? Resetting the watch using the on-device settings menu. Open the settings app on your OPPO Watch X2 Mini. Scroll down and tap System. Select Reset to default or disconnect and reset. Confirm the reset to restore the watch to factory settings. The watch will restart and return to factory settings. Reset using hardware buttons. Press and hold both the power button and the function button at the same time for about 10 seconds. Release the buttons when the OPPO logo appears. Navigate to Settings, scroll down to System, and then select Reset within the menu. Confirm your choice. The watch will reset and reboot to factory settings. Resetting will erase all data, including apps, settings, and personal information. Make sure your watch is backed up via the O Health app before proceeding. Safety tips. Avoid extreme temperatures. Use only approved chargers. Keep it dry. Clean gently. Wear comfortably. Update regularly. Product comparison. Talking about the materials and build, the OPPO Watch X2 Mini uses a premium 18-karat PVD gold-plated stainless steel case, Glimmer Gold, or 316L stainless steel, Nebula Black, with a plastic bottom case and elegant straps for a refined, everyday look. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 features a lightweight aluminum case in 40mm or 44mm sizes, combining durability with a classic round design and sapphire crystal protection. Moving to the display and sizes, the OPPO Watch X2 Mini has a 1.32-inch AMOLED display with 466 by 466 resolution, 352 ppi, and up to 1000 nits brightness, delivering crisp visuals in a compact form, 43.2 millimeters. The Galaxy Watch 7 offers Super AMOLED panels on its two size options, approximately 1.31 inches on the 40mm and approximately 1.47 inches on the 44mm, both protected by sapphire crystal and tailored for better outdoor legibility. For battery and performance, the OPPO Watch X2 Mini packs a 354 mAh battery with up to approximately 60 hours of normal use or up to approximately 7 days in power saver mode and supports fast charging. It comes with 2 GB RAM and 32 GB storage. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 provides 300 mAh, 40mm or 425 mAh, 44mm, batteries with daily to 2-day endurance depending on usage, also paired with 2 GB RAM and 32 GB storage. Pros and cons. The OPPO Watch X2 Mini offers a bright AMOLED display and smooth performance in a compact, lightweight body that's comfortable for all-day wear. With eSIM support, solid health tracking, over 100 workout modes, NFC features, and fast charging, it covers almost everything you'd expect from a modern smartwatch. That said, the smaller screen, average battery life, and missing ECG feature may not suit power users. Overall, it's a stylish and capable option for anyone who wants premium smartwatch features without the bulk of a larger watch. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.